Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about the Thermaltake Versa T26 and T27 TG ARGB mid-tower chassis. So friend, Thermaltake has announced its Versa T26 and T27 TG ARGB mid-tower chassis, adding new members to the Versa series. And friend, this new model supports motherboard up to E-ATX and comes with three 120mm pre-installed 5V ARGB front pans, which can sync with RGB motherboard software and including ASUS Aura Sync, GIGABYTE RGB Fusion, MSI Mystic Light Sync and ASRock Polychrome. And friend, by pressing the RGB button, user can also play with 27 preset RGB lighting effect easily. And friend, it is designed with the same overall layout. Both the Versa T26 and T27 TG RGB mid-tower chassis features 4mm tempered glass side panel but with a different front panel design. The front panel of the Versa T26 is a mix with tempered glass and mesh, forming a diagonal arrangement. User can enjoy transparent viewing without compromising on cooling performance. And friend, for the Versa T27, the front panel is an airflow optimized panel with a perforated T-shape intake cutouts, which is designed for massive airflow and at the same time representing the TT brand logo. And friend, the Versa T26 and T27 TG ARGB mid-tower chassis has excellent hardware compatibility, allowing support for two 3.5-inch hard drives or 2.5-inch SSD with GA placement of up to 380mm line length and power supply with a length of up to 200mm. And friend, with the 7+2 PCI-E slots, user can choose to place the GPU vertically. And friend, there is also a full-length built-in PSU cover to bring convenience for cable management. And friend, for the cooling configuration, user can install up to 7 120mm or 6 140mm fans and the place 360mm radiators on the top and the front, and friend 120mm on the rear. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.